Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's once again Muhozi Dennis Kafaras taking you through Learn Runyankole series. And yesterday we concluded about how letters we concluded letter Z, and today we're going to look at sound changes. Runyankole is a simple language, but you have to understand the basics. That is why I've dived into teaching you the basics of this language. And if at all I'm diving deep into, after this series of Runyankole teachings, I will now work on the speech recognition system. I want to have a Runyankole speech recognition system. So those who have some basic idea in software can join me, subscribe to my channel, that you keep me motivated to make more videos for you. I have greater plans for Runyankole. Very, very greater plans. Now, the sound changes. Runyankole, we say when the letter N is followed by B or P, it changes to M. Like this one. I'm slaughtering. Is N. Ni is I. Ni represents I. Then letter N is Meaning, if you have this letter N following and the letter in front is B or P, it changes to M. That is why a word like ninvaga, okubaga, ninvaga, it becomes nimbaga. The N becomes M, nimbaga, when N is followed by B. Then, if it is followed by P, again it is M, nimpinga. Should be ninhiga, because N means nimpiga, nimpinga, nimpiga, because they will find that oh Jesus, sorry, this is nimpiga. I'm hunting. Sorry, nimpinga. This is okay because it is followed by P. So yeah, it should be nimpiga. Nimpinga. Yeah, it should be ninhiga. Yeah, okay, exactly like that. Should be pinga. Okay, then no hinga, you are digging. Then the letter R, when preceded by any, changes to D. That is where we have nin. I is ni. This I in English, it is in Runyankole, it is ni. Then is any. Reva, that is sing. You now remove this N, you remove this R and replace it with D, and the word becomes Nindeva. This one of he is sing, it remains Nareva. He is sing. So you get it clearly? That's why some words like Nindeva because I am seeing they are coming from even okurota, nin rota, it will become nindota, I am dreaming. So that's the magic with Runyankole, where you change if this letter, that's why you find words like nindota, but nindota comes from okurota.